Hi, I'm Andrew Flood, and this is my introduction to my playlist of Irish coast cycles. So, from 2022 onwards, I've been cycling the entire Irish coast. At the time I'm recording this, I have cycled about 4,400 kilometers of it, and I decided to make a set of video diaries for each day of the cycle. I think I've cycled about 40 days so far in total over the 2 years. It might be closer to 50. By the time I complete the cycle, I would estimate that will be another 10 to 15 days. I have mostly been camping while doing it, mostly wild camping in scenic spots. And so I'll be talking about what road conditions were like, what I saw, where I camped, and give you a bit of a sense of what the scenery was like, and also, of course, where I was battling against weather. That last bit isn't going to help you because you're not going to know where the good weather is and where the bad weather is, but the rest of it hopefully will plug it in. I also have a route map of the routes I've taken, so you'll be able to click those. Look at the bottom of the video description. So, yep, just hit play there and keep going through the videos till you get to the end.